Hey, welcome to the channel everyone, where I post a helpful and entertaining video weekly. So if you haven't done so, please click the subscribe button and at the same time turn on the notification bell so you can get all the future videos that I'm going to be posting, guys. So anyways guys, in today's episode, we are actually going to show you guys a couple things. First of all, I actually am preparing to go to Banff today, so I get a short day trip there with the family. Yeah, just a beautiful day today, so I figured we'll be doing that, and I might be posting some photos or videos of a snippet of Banff in the process. But anyways guys, the highlight of this video really is that I have something going for you here in front of me, and I'm going to be showing you that pretty soon, so stay tuned. Well folks, here it is. I'm just going to do a little unboxing for you here. As you can see, I do have this 52-inch mobile drawer here, and so basically here it's via Husky, and it's a good product. It's off Home Depot, and yeah, I've heard pretty good stuff about it. They're really inexpensive, and yeah, shout out to Home Depot in this sense. They pretty much gave me another 5% discount right being at the store there, so it's already on sale, especially this color here. It's the actually the gray color. It looks really nice actually. I don't know why it was on sale, but yeah, I'm gonna be opening it up here for you. All right, on to the next step. The box is a little bit beat up here, but it doesn't look that bad from the point of view of the content itself. Wow, it really unboxed pretty easy, guys. Let's pull that whole thing out, the whole cover out, and where it goes. Everything just falls apart nicely, and yeah, here it is, guys. Oh wow, what a beauty this is, right, Chester? Chester's here with me as well. Let me just let Chester go. Okay, come on. Careful, boy, careful. Good boy. All right. So, how you like it, Chester? How you like a nice chest? Wow, that looks pretty nice. Right, boy? You like it? Good boy. So yeah, we got our manual here. Let me see. Wow, we got our key. It looks like we got all the underlays over here. Drawers really nice and smooth. Yeah, I can't wait to put it together, guys. I'm gonna probably put it on what do you call this, time lapse, and have you guys see how fast I'm gonna do this. Stay tuned. Show you guys what I actually opened up here on the box, and yeah, basically the handle that I'll be probably attaching on this end, so you could easily push it around, I guess, in the process. And then we get all those wheels, really nice heavy duty wheel, stainless steel hubcap there. It's pretty nice, nicely done. There's 4 of them, with 2 locking ones. Yeah, there's 2 locking ones and 1 non-locking. So yeah, It looks like the locking ones will be on this side, which is where the handle will be, and the non-locking one will be on this end. So yeah, I'm gonna try and see if I can flip this over and see if we can actually get the wheels going.
Here we go.
Well, folks, all done. It wasn't hard at all. Probably the hardest part is tipping this thing over and putting it back up. Anyhow, I'm just having some good old Coca-Cola here just to get some refreshment because it's so hot today, guys. It's 26 degrees out there, and it's just super hot. So anyways, guys, that looks pretty nice. I'm impressed so far. No issues whatsoever. Just a slight dent on the back, but you know, not a big deal at all. Probably just from the packaging point of view. But anyways, other than that, the areas where you see most of the times, it looks pretty perfect. I don't see any issues here. The drawers are very nice, very smooth. I'm gonna be definitely enjoying this, having to put all the tools away, and technically this is all I need, really. I mean, I don't need anything more than this besides from what I have already. So yeah, I'll definitely continue to use the old chest toolbox there, and this will just be a great addition for, you know, any other tools that I basically need in the process. I just would like to mention as well, I'm wearing, as you guys notice, I'm wearing the retro old t-shirt from the Mark 7 Golf's group that I have started a few years back, and there's amazingly over 3,000 members now, which is really awesome. And so just a shout out to that awesome group again, and I appreciate your membership, and at the same time your participation in a lot of ways where you've been sharing your knowledge, sharing your car, you're sharing your 1.8, 1.4 and 1.2 T's, be it your wagon and be it your hatchback. So anyways, guys, keep up the good work, and yeah, support the channel as well, and support the group, of course. That's what I meant, really. So anyways, guys, without further ado, I'm gonna be putting this somewhere, probably tuck it into the second bay or the third bay, and there's plenty of room over there, so that's where I'm gonna be putting it. And yeah, you'll be seeing this definitely from time to time. So again, guys, if you haven't done so, again, I would like to repeat one more time, consider subscribing and hit that subscribe button, and at the same time always press the bell button, and so that way you can get all the notification when the new video comes. And feel free to provide any feedback, guys, on what you guys would like to see on this channel. I know I have lots of garage improvements, dream garage updates, and also a lot of cars, from my Honda cars to Acura cars to all my other project cars, which is the Golf R and the Volkswagen cars and the Isuzu as well. So anyways, guys, you know, keep up that comment, keep up the suggestions, keep up your demands in terms of what you guys want to see. I do take any good and bad suggestions out there, because that's the only way I will grow, is to hear you guys, hear your voice, and hear what you guys want to see in the channel. So again, until next time, guys, peace out.